All right. Now this is a little bit more tricky one. We're going to count the C's. Okay.
Okay.
All right, go ahead. What are you going to do?
Well, so A always has to be 2, so we're always going to get 8 plus something.
Okay.
Well, the first case, the first case is the all 2 case. You have 2, 2, 2.
Okay.
And so we're looking for what B can be when A is 2. I'm getting a little confused now.
Okay. What case are you counting here?
So we're counting the C's.
Okay. All right.
So we have A is 2 and C what could C what can C be?
Okay. That's a good question to ask when you're counting the C's. What can C be?
Well, why don't we start with what? Because we don't have to look at the A at all, because we know what A is going to be.
Okay.
So how about we just look at what C is?
All right.
So C is 2.
All right. C is 2.
Then
that's a good starting point.
Well, B squared is less than or equal to 40 because you have the extra 8.
Okay, so A is 2, so we got 8 plus B squared plus 2 is less than or equal to 50. Because we're looking at the case C equals 2. So that means B squared is less than or equal to what?
B squared is less than or equal to 40.
Okay.
So it can be, then everything has to be even.
Yeah.
So B squared can be 36, 16, and 4.
All right.
So there's 3 choices for B.
Okay, so C choices. So when C is 2, you have 3 choices. Okay.
When C is 4, you're going to have the same 3 choices because you're going to be at 38. B squared is less than or equal to 38.
Okay.
And that's not less than 36.
Alright, so here we're going to have 8 plus B squared plus 4 is less than 50. So B squared is less than 38. So how many choices?
There's 3 again.
3. So when C equals 4, we have 3 choices.
Well, when C equals 6, this is the last one where you're going to have 3 choices. Because it's less than or equal to 36.
Okay.
So C is 6, you have 3 choices.
When C is 6, we have 3 choices. Okay.
And then from when C is 8, down, and from C is 8, you're going to start having 2 choices.
Ah, okay. So now B squared is less than 34, so we only have 2 choices.
Then when will the 2 choices end?
Ah, good. Good question. This is the hard part about counting this case. When do the 2 choices end?
When B squared is less than or equal to 14, they end. Because when it's less than or equal to 16, that's the last one there is.
Okay. So when does that happen?
So, when it's less than or equal to 16, so we have 8 plus 16 plus,
Let's make sure that's clearly a 16.
hard to write sideways,
Yeah.
plus, well, this is 24, so it has to be 26.
Okay.
This equals 50.
Alright. So from 8 down to 26, we're going to have 2. Okay. 2 cases. Make sense?
Yeah. Then from that onward, we're going to have 1 Then what's the last case we can do?
From 28 down to something, we're going to have 1.
Well, the last case you can do is b squared is less than or equal to 4.
Okay.
That would mean we have 8 plus 4 plus... Well, this is adds up to 12, so it's 38. This is 38.
Okay, so now we got our list. Now let's add it up, okay? But we've already gone 5 minutes, 30 seconds, so we'll add up at the end.
Okay.